Here's how to fit a quick shifter on a Mk8 Fiesta ST. So to install it, we need to remove this Jubilee clip and that one as well, maybe. Getting the induction kit off, and then right down there somewhere is where we put the short shifter. So what we need to do is pop this off with a flathead screwdriver and then undo this and clamp it over. So here it is, you just clamp it around the short shifting arm, and then you put the little ball bit on here for 15% and here for 25% short shifting. So it's all done. All we need to do now is basically do everything in reverse, putting the induction kit back on. And here we have it. I'm now faster than all you guys DSG.